Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools for any business. But if you have ever tried to manage campaign manually, you know how time consuming and frustrating it can be. That's where Aweber comes in. But what exactly is Aweber and why do so many small business owner and marketer rely on it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what Aweber is, how it works and who it's for, and how you can get started with a free trial to see if it's the right fit for your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get more done without unnecessary stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description below for free trial and the special offers. Now let's get started. So what is Aweber? At its core, Aweber is an email marketing platform, but it's more than just sending email. It's a complete tool that helps you to build, manage, and automate email campaign, so you can grow your business more efficiently. With Aweber, you can design professional-looking email, segment your audience, and set up the autoresponders. And you can also track your results all from one dashboard. One of the best things about Aweber is how beginner-friendly it is, and you don't need advanced technical skills to get started. The drag and drop email editor makes designing emails simple, and you can choose from hundreds of templates to fit your brand and style. Whether you are sending newsletters, product promotion, or onboarding sequence, Aweber makes it straightforward. Now let's talk about who is it for. Aweber is perfect for small business owners, online entrepreneurs, bloggers, coaches, and anyone who wants to build meaningful relationship with their audience through email. If you want to run subscriber into paying customer or simply communicate consistently with your audience, Aweber gives you tools to do without juggling multiple apps. Now let's talk about some core features. Inside Aweber, you can create email campaign that can run automatically. You can segment your subscriber based on interest, behavior, and location, so your message feel personal and relevant. You can schedule the podcast, set up automated sequence, and even integrate with landing pages, e-commerce stores, and social media. Aweber also provides detailed analytics, so you can see who opened your email, who clicked on link, and which campaign are performing the best. This means you can make informed decisions and continuously improve your email marketing strategy. Now let's talk about the pricing. Aweber offers multiple plans including a 14 days free trial, and the paid plan start at around $20 per month, and it increases based on your number of subscriber and advanced feature you need. Compared to many other email marketing tools, Aweber is both affordable and beginner friendly. Now let's talk about the free trial. Aweber offers a free trial so you can explore the platform before committing. You can set up your first campaign, try the drag and drop editor, you can create an automated sequence, and you can see the analytics in action, all without paying a single dollar. Using the link in the description, you can even give you access for the special free trial extension. So this is more time to test the platform and decide if it fits your business or not. The pro side is Aweber is beginner friendly, easy to use, and has all the essential email marketing feature. You can automate campaigns, segment your audience, and track the performance easily. The con side is compared to some advanced platform, it may lack of the high level automation feature, and very large business might need more advanced integration. But for small businesses and growing entrepreneurs, it's more than enough to start and building a successful email strategy. So if you want a simple, effective, and reliable email marketing platform that can help you to connect your audience, Aweber is a solid choice. It's especially great if you are just starting out and don't want to get lost in the complicated software. With automation segment and easy to read analytics, Aweber makes email campaign manageable, efficient, and effective. So don't just take my word for it, you can try it yourself for the free trial link. Go and check that out. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tutorial, tool breakdown, and the productivity tips. I will see you in the next video.